back with another Saturday vlog, and today is kind of off. I'd say I had to wake up a little bit earlier for a podcast that I had to be on. Still kind of like running on fumes right now. I need more sleep, but I'm already up and it's almost midday, so I figured I would just make some content. Right now I'm about to film a video for my other channel about being a cybersecurity analyst versus cybersecurity engineer. So I'm gonna get to that now and then kind of see what the rest of the day is gonna look like. I was trying to do some studying and maybe go to the gym, but we'll see. I really don't have a plan for today, and I'm already like kind of like disorganized mentally, but I'll try to see if I can bring some structure to today. Let's get into it. Oh, before I start my video, I got an alert on my security system that I just got a package delivered, so let's see what this is about. That's a big package. It's for me. Oh, I know what this is. I know what this is. All right, this is so fire. I'm about to show y'all. You're gonna get this first sneak peek. All right, so let's do this. So this package contains all the samples for my brand that is associated with my other channel. So this is basically gonna be for our winter merch drop. I'm calling that drop specifically for the CYBERWOX Essentials collection. So I'm about to try these out. It's a couple of hoodies, beanies, t-shirts, but yeah, just trying to see how this is gonna look. It's my first time doing merch and I wanna really like bring a new feel to that channel and the community and all of that stuff. So yeah, about to try these out. Oof, that's a lot of stuff. Wow. Okay, I think it's just the hoodies. Oh, and the crew neck in here. All right, I'm gonna try these out right now. All right, so the first thing is this hoodie. This is a black hoodie for the CYBERWOX Essentials collection. This is CYBERWOX, which is like a kind of shortened version of our brand. And this is our red team Essentials hoodie. So in cybersecurity, there's a red team that does like attacking and like hacking ethically. So the front is just like a simple like CYBERWOX kind of like play on the letters for CYBERWOX. And then the back has this. Is like this kind of like some guy like with like some red things in their hand. If you're familiar with Naruto and you know Kakashi, it's not the Chidori, but similar to like that like thunder or lightning striking their hand. So the back is like a lot more detailed. I like that because it kind of gives the front a more of a minimal look and it's just basic CWX. So and it's just basic, so that's what I call it, like the essentials. And this is a size small, if I'm not mistaken. This is a medium. Okay, I bought a size up deliberately, so let's try this out. I'm gonna wear it with my t-shirt on because, yeah, I might have a t-shirt under if I wear a hoodie or a ripped shirt or something. Okay. All right, so I think because it was folded or something, it fits a bit boxy. Maybe if I wash it, it will like loose fit a little bit, but I do like how it feels. Like it definitely is warm. I think hands are not too fitted, so that's fine. I'm probably gonna fold sleeves for myself. That's probably how I would wear it. The back, let's see. I think the back looks nice. I typically like to fold up my hoodies like this. Yeah, the back looks nice. This looks good. So this is our red team Essentials hoodie, and that's really it. I think if I wash it, it would like definitely like lose a little bit more of its like boxiness, but regardless though, I think it looks good. Looks good. It's very simple and it just needs to lose that boxiness, which will probably go after like 1 or 2 washes. So yeah, that's the red team one. Let's go to the next one. So the next one I was gonna try was gonna be this purple team one. It's just essentially the same thing as the red team one, but just purple. Purple team in cybersecurity is typically like folks that do a combination of both or a mixture of both red and blue team, like both attack and defense. So I kind of mix that together. So this is just essentially like probably gonna be the same thing because I bought the same size as this, except if I sized down, because I know I bought a mix of sizes. Let's see. Also medium, so probably fit the same. So that's gonna go in the wash. And the last one is the blue team. Blue team one is also, yeah, medium. Same thing, blue team were the defenders. I work on the blue team. I do a little bit of purple team in here and there, but I'm a blue team guy. Yeah, it's gonna be the same fit, so I'll put it in the wash and hopefully it like gets a lot more smoothed down. Now, the other one here is a blue one. So I did a blue on purple, just to kind of see how it would look. I don't know how I feel about it because I want to have multiple color options for people who want to buy on the site. And it's the same medium, so I'm not gonna try this on yet. I'm still gonna just put it in the wash. I'll try it on later because it probably fit the same, but color is just a bit different. The purple looks, you know, interesting against the blue. It's like a really dark blue, but I don't know about it yet. Might just like throw a poll in our Discord and see if people like it, and we'll see. Oh. So I don't really wear red like that, except if it's necessary. I do have one red sweatshirt that's really nice, but I wanted to try red because of folks who might like the color red, and also just for the red team folks. So I don't know. It's also a medium. It definitely has this look, and there might be people who might like it because it's very, very red, but I don't know. We'll see. I'll still put this one in the wash as well. And then the last but not the least, we got the crew neck. This is just like a basic CYBERWOX crew neck sweater, and this is also a medium. I'll try this one on because it's a different design. It's like a varsity kind of design. It has EST. I'll show y'all. It has EST 2021, which is when we started out CYBERWOX Academy. Yeah, I'm gonna try this one on and see how it looks. Hopefully that wasn't too bad. Alright, so this is also a medium. I don't personally wear crew necks as much. I do have a couple that I like wearing every now and then. Now, this still fits boxy, so I'm still gonna have to throw this in the washer to get a good feel of how it actually look like. I'm also wearing like a t-shirt under. I typically would wear like a tank top under instead of t-shirt under like crew neck. So I don't yet know how this is gonna be. There's nothing in the back, so that's just gonna be like how it is. But I like how the hands fit. They're pretty okay. But I just think all of these might need like one wash to actually make me how they will fit properly. Because I want to make sure like if I'm selling something, you know, in the store, like it's something that I'm fine wearing. Like not like I'm just putting it on the store just to like make money. Like I want to be fine wearing like my own merch before selling to other people. So we'll see how this looks after one wash, and now I should go film my video I was about to film. But I think the day's already taking some shape, which is good. Yep. All right, so before I actually put these in washer, I have a confession to make. So it wasn't until literally like a few days ago that I actually learned how to mount a nail on a wall like this so that it actually sticks. That essentially meant learning how to like mount an anchor first and then put the nail inside the anchor. Literally, owning a house will teach you or make you learn things that you never thought to learn, but make you better off for it. But that's just a confession. Now let me get these clothes in the washer right now. That also reminds me, like I'm probably gonna make a video or a vlog style video about like household essentials that are like life-changing. Like this Dyson behind me, I bought this like as my first like cordless vacuum cleaner after having a corded one in my last apartment, and it's such a game changer, especially like if you want to keep your surroundings clean like I do. But I'll do that in another video. If you want to see that video, like leave a comment below and let me know. But let me put these clothes in the washer now. We're out of laundry soap, I think. Okay, so now that the clothes are in the washer, the first batch at least, because I'm washing only the blacks right now, I'm gonna head back into the office and then film the video. Check, check. And this video is essentially about one of the questions I get asked commonly, especially about like cybersecurity and cybersecurity roles, being a cybersecurity analyst and then also being a cybersecurity engineer, like how to move from one to another, or also like, you know, combination of both, whatever the case is. But this blog, I think, is going to be a bit of a different one from it, and it really depends on like what the outline is. I've had this blog in my bookmarks for quite a while, and I figured like if we could kind of read it out loud and also kind of like share my thoughts and opinions on it. So let's get right into it. Yeah, I just want to make a video about this blog. I thought it was a really great read. I'll leave it in the description below. And if you like this video, you'll definitely like this other video right here where I talk about the difference between a threat detection role and an incident response role, which I've done in my past life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Alright, so I'm all done with that video, and now I'm just gonna upload it into the shared folder with my editor, and he's gonna work on that. This is probably not gonna go out until like next year because I have a backlog of videos, so just gonna pile them up. But now that this one is done, I'm just gonna upload it right here. This is like in my September folder, and we're already in September, but we're like still working on like June or July videos, which yeah, is super far. I'm gonna have to rename these folders anyways, but just gonna upload it right now, and yeah. Yo, I just peeped this. I just recently switched my internet service provider, and because it's a different internet service provider, they had to like set up a cable that came from the side of the house all the way to the end out there through a hole or something. I don't even know how they did it. Is it like through the... That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. But hopefully they're gonna come in like this next week to like dig this hole. Oh, I see what they did. They passed it through this pipe outside. That's wild. But yeah, hopefully they come tomorrow and they come like dig a hole here so it can be hidden. It's not like weird like this, because seeing a long black line, that can be kind of trippy. And man, honestly, I'm so glad I switched my ISP, my internet service provider, because my last one, they were not it. I was on like not even 200-300 like megabits per second, which is slow. When I'll be uploading videos or streaming or in a video meeting, it was so bad. But now I'm with fiber, got that 1 gigabyte, and it's much better, I can tell you. And I've got a bunch of like IoT stuff, videos I have to upload, all that stuff, so it really helps with that. But now I'm about to brush my teeth because I woke up really early this morning and like I didn't get the time to brush my teeth in, so I just kind of dove into work, so I'm about to brush my teeth. Don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. Alright, so I'm done brushing my teeth now. I noticed that the house is looking really, not really, but like kind of dirty. There's like just stuff on the floor and just weird, so I'm gonna do a quick vacuum around the living room, my office, and bathroom, and maybe grab something to eat, and then most likely hit a gym session. I almost broke these Legos, but I'm gonna fix them real quick. Alright, there we go. I had no idea why it was so zoomed in. I had to also adjust the light settings as well, because now I have a little bit less light, or more of a direct light, so that's all fixed. But yeah, cleaning is all done right now. It wasn't really an in-depth clean or anything. I just needed to like get a couple of things off the ground that were kind of bothering me and annoying me. So just kind of quick cleaning, just kind of making sure everywhere's tidy and I'm not looking like a sloth in my house. So what am I going to do next? Probably going to grab something really light to eat and then head to the gym. But the day's taking shape so far. It's pretty good. Alright, before I go to the gym, I just realized that I bought this gym bag a while back that I want to be able to use to pack my stuff just in case I'm not going straight to the gym or going to the gym after work or something. So I'm going to try it out today. Maybe just pack some shoes and also have some pre-workout in it. That would actually be really good. That's actually a good use case for a gym bag. So, and pre-workout, not pre-workout as like a pre-workout drink, more so like pre-workout meal or snack or something. So let's do that right now. Okay, so now after fitting my shoes into this bag, I realized it's so small and it will only just fit my shoes and maybe my shirt, which is not bad, but yeah, I definitely wish I got a bigger bag. But I mean, I don't really need much space, just this, maybe have like a shirt in there, maybe socks or whatever, and then I could keep snacks on the side or water, whatever the case is. So I think it's not small, maybe just big enough. That's what it is. Oh, just realized it has this little pouch here on the side. It's pretty deep and I could use it for some extra storage. That's good. Psych. I decided not to go to Walmart anymore. I decided I'm gonna eat a meal, chill a little bit, and then head to the gym later on in the day. So I'm gonna eat one of the meals that I got from my meal prep company, which is Clean Eats. I'm about to show y'all. It's one of the best I've tried. One of the best. I haven't tried Factor or any other ones, but I saw Clean Eats and I figured it'd be the one for me, so check that out. So right now, got a couple of Clean Eats flavors. Let's see which one I'm gonna choose. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Alright, so I chose the street corn chicken one. This one has chicken with creamy Mexican corn and red potatoes. It's good, it has like 40 grams of protein. Gonna put it in the microwave, and then I like to season my food with some mango habanero sauce. Just gives it a little bit more taste. So I'll put this in the microwave now. Alright, so I just realized that my audio wasn't on in that last take or that last scene. So what I said was, I just woke up from the maintenance nap and now I'm about to head to the gym. First, I'm gonna install this car mount for my car. So like it's easier to make videos when I'm in the car and stuff like that. So yeah, let me do that real quick. Yeah, that is secure. That's fire. What's next now is going to be a removable hook that we're gonna put in there so I can easily attach and remove my camera. And that's gonna be coming probably like sometime next week. But for now, this is good enough. Alright, so done with the workout, and what do you know? 17-week streak, man. I'm killing it, man. 17 weeks where I've worked out at least 3 days a week. So for the last 17 weeks, I've worked out at least 3 days a week. That's really good. I love the consistency there. The last time I did, I had almost like 30, 40, 50 week streak. So I try to be consistent as much as possible. So I'm on a 17-week streak. I keep saying that. I'm just proud of that. So done with the workout right now. Turns out that in my community area, they're doing a movie at the lawn. I think they're watching Coco tonight. I would have gone to see it, but what I like to do after my workout sometimes on Saturdays is to go to Smoothie King and go get an acai bowl, and kind of like a relaxing thing I like to do. I just like get the bowl from the drive-thru and then I eat it while I'm listening to like a podcast or like, you know, YouTube video, just chill and just like get out of the house. You know, it's just kind of like a relaxing thing to do. I've been doing it for a couple of weeks now, over the last couple of months, and I'm about to go do that now. It's pretty late right now, so I want to head over there, grab my bowl, eat it, and then head back home and probably do some work or whatever the case may be. All right, let's go. Hey, how's it going? I heard pick up an order for Day. Yeah, appreciate it. Thank you very much. Can I get a spoon? All right, thank you very much.